Hello, my name is Rinjin Bhuya and I'm from Assam. I'm doing my diploma in bakery, pastry and patisserie arts in ASK Institute. We have done cookies, breads, cakes and various other desserts like tiramisu, pavlova, panna cotta and many more. Right now I'm preparing a kiwi ghetto. It's a cake. Since childhood I have likings towards confectionery products and I used to watch TV shows where chefs used to prepare the dishes, those cakes, those beautiful things. And I used to wonder where they have learned all these things. And it makes people so happy. With emerging of time, I found that there are institutes where we can learn these beautiful eateries, and ASK Institute is my first step towards this sweet world. I like when people smile when you give a little efforts towards them. So my aim is to spread happiness for people and with my efforts and hard work. Thank you.